In this tutorial I will show you how to make this light effect in Photoshop. Duplicate image. Pick text tool. I'm using this font, and download link in description. To make the background darker, create a hue and saturation adjustments layer. Follow the process. Right-click on text layer and choose Rasterize type. Duplicate text layer. Press Ctrl-T for free transform. Right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Right-click again and choose Perspective. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Right-click on text layer and choose Blending Options. Choose Stroke and follow the process. Choose Inner Glow and follow the settings. Choose Outer Glow and follow the settings. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Add amount of around 4 pixels and click OK. Double-click on Layer to open blending options. Hold Alt or Option and click to break the slider, and drag it to the right. Add a mask on this layer. Choose Gradient tool. Make sure foreground color is black.
This is the final result, and thanks for watching.